Forex market situation update. Good morning, traders. It's Monday today. New week ahead of us. We want to talk about the gold today. Last time we've been here was 12 days ago. I have to admit, there was not a lot of change since last time we visited here, but I still want to talk about the gold because with every passing day and every passing week, I should say, where price still remains above 1714 is a good sign, is a bullish sign. I'm saying good sign because we have a bullish conviction on the gold, so that would serve that purpose. But we've been talking about 1714 level as a massive support that was gonna be a game changer. It was gonna push against price action in such a way that it will send it back to its original move, which is an upside trend, started way back at probably around 2018, but you can also argue that it started around late 2015, right? Anyway, a few good years, right? So we've, the gold spent about 6 months, maybe more, maybe even 8 months actually, on this technical correction. That was it. That was this construction of technical correction lasted for 8 months until price had hit that 1714 level. We think that's the end of the road, right? Now let me show you quickly how it looks like from the weekly perspective, because the way I see it, it's not only hitting that big support level at 1714, having this nice reaction where price is starting to turn around, but it's also what led to that point, which was this formation. Check this out. We had this 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I mean the fourth move, right? The fourth corrective wave. This is just textbook Elliott wave, cycle, right? 5 waves, 2 corrective waves, beautiful stuff. So it only supports our bullish conviction at this point. Now I want to remind you, refresh your memory. I mean, we've seen the last couple of weeks where price is starting to turn around. That's a very good sign, right? That's a very bullish sign. Price starting to move away from that 1714 level. While it's going to gain some positive momentum on the way up, we already singled out 2 targets, right? The first one, 2127. We've been looking at this level for years. This level had been here for years, literally. So, and we think price is going to get it. It's going to take it. It's going to take the previous high. It's going to set a new all-time high, but it's not going to be the last of it. We think it's going to drill through that level and it's going to head straight to 2460. So, just to refresh your memory, 2460, guys, is a 161.8% of this whole bear market that we had across from 2011 all the way to 2015. Right, just measure 161.8 and it's right there to 2460. We think price is gonna move towards that area and it's gonna knock off that level, and it's probably gonna continue to push forward. In fact, we think the potential here, long-term perspective potential, is huge, far beyond 2460, by the way. But we're just keeping it, real, keeping it relevant. For now, these are the levels we're looking at. But first we got to make sure price is going to leave off the station here, right? It's going to turn around. It's going to start to push forward, and only around 1850, 1900, that's where we're going to get really confident about this bullish conviction that I'm trying to describe here. All right, guys, that's about that for the gold. We'll be back in the near future to follow up on the situation here, that's for sure. In the meantime, we'll say goodbye and we'll be back with the next one, so stay tuned.